Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting review and demo to share. It's the LaColors Natural Skin Tint. I've been wanting to try this as soon as I got it. I knew I wanted to film a review and demo, so here we are. This was $4.50 at Dollar General. I got the shade in Fair Beige. It's a light shade. There is 4 shades available in the store. And there are 16 shades available online. They are $5.50 on the LaColors website. This is a squeeze tube and it's 1 fluid ounce of product, cruelty free. This is a natural skin tint that moisturizes. It does not have a scent. You can apply this with a sponge, your fingers, or brush, whichever you choose. I preferred to try a sponge today. Claims to provide a sheer buildable coverage that helps even out skin tone for a natural looking finish. The product consistency is not too thin or thick. It feels and looks like a foundation that has added moisturizer into it to make it like a skin tint, which is what they were going for, I'm assuming, but it is way more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. I'm very happy with that. It has a semi-matte natural looking finish. This builds up quickly and easily. It does cover redness and veins and freckles. I'm just so blown away at how pigmented this skin tint is. I'm loving that about it. It's lightweight. It feels like I'm not even wearing much makeup at all. So this is perfect for summer. It does not enhance textures on your face. This product does oxidize a little bit upon drying, but not much. It does stay similar to the shade you see in the bottle. This skin tint is not drying or uncomfortable on the skin. It held up nicely in the 90-degree heat and rain. I did set it with a powder. You don't have to, but I did. I love the clean see-through packaging with the hollow accents. Very nice. I'm usually not crazy about skin tints and don't buy them. Because I don't use them. But I am digging this one. I really love how this looks on the skin, how it applied, the pigmentation. I like that it's lightweight, great coverage, and a semi-matte finish. 10 out of 10. I would repurchase this again, especially in a lighter shade for fall and winter. This is more of like I can get away with wearing Fair Beige in the summer. In the winter and fall, I'm gonna need like a porcelain or a vanilla or ivory shade. And I definitely recommend you trying this skin tint out. It works fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed the review today and the demo, found it helpful, and maybe you will try this product out for yourselves. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.